Right. So, good afternoon, guys. In the previous session, we discussed a skill program to fetch all students who got more than 90 percentage, right? Who got more than 90 percentage. So, yes, you can see the table, right? Let me run this one. Right. So these are the guys who got more than okay 90 percentage guys, right? Sai, Nani, then Akila, and here Rohan, okay, then Hasni, right? And the Pallavi at last, that's all. Now, let's see another question, another one to display all the students and their colleges who are male students passed out in 2021 or 22 guys. Display all the students' names and college names. Okay, whose gender is male and passed out is either 21 or 22, right? 22 guys. Let us try now. Let us try here. So write a program, to display students names and the colleges names. Okay. Uh, who passed out? Who passed out in either 21 or 22? Display all male students names. Male I'm taking this. Okay. Display all male students names, right? And college names of who passed out in either 21 or 22. So here there are two filters here. There are two filters. One is the gender is the male, and the other one is which one? Here is either 21 or 22. And I want to display what here? The student name and the college name, right? College name. For that one, let us try here. From what's the table? Main table name students. Students data. On this table, what I want to filter here, we want to filter where gender equal to male, gender male, under. So passed out here it can be either 2021 or take the comma 2022, right? So as for this one, I want to display what here. Select student name, the college name. I want to display that stuff, right? Yes, you can see here. So Nani belongs to XYZ, Rajesh belongs to ABC, Rohan belongs to CDE. Those are the male candidates from the 2021 or 22 years passed out. Okay, right. You can see now. Rani, right? Nani XYZ. So he is the male and 22 pass out. Next, Rajesh ABC, right? Rajesh ABC College and male 2022 pass out. Rohan CDE College, right? So yes, Rohan CDE College, male 21 pass out. Remaining male are there. Suppose here male, right? But 20 pass out. And here right. Here also male is there, but 19 pass out. Here also male is there, but 18 pass out. But what I want now, the male from 21 to 22 pass out. Okay. To get the same output, to get the same names and college names, let's make the SQL query for this one. We'll make the Python program, guys. will make the Python programs. Right. So all table data available where? Available in the students data tuple, right? Let me print it first of all. Right. Displays the tuple of all the tuples. Displays the tuple of all the tuples, since all the rows. Now, first I'm getting one by one tuple here, one by one row. So for I in the students data, then print of I. First time I value is the first row, second time I value second row, third time I value third row, fourth time I value fourth row. Right. So here what I want to display now, we want to display the college name and the student name, right? Now guys observe here. So you want to display the student name, college name, of whom wherever the gender is the male and the area is the 21 or 22, right? So here is the index numbers. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gender area is the 5. Index 5 means I have 5, right? I have 5, I have 6. So I have 5 must be 20, 21, 22. I have 6 must be the male. Whenever these two are matching, then I want to display which one. I have 1, I have 2, I want to display. All of you. So I have 5 must be 21 or 22. I have 6 must be male. So whenever these two true, for that one I want to display. I have 1, I have 2, right? So now right. So yes, right. Now what I keep here? If I have 5 must be which one? That I have 5 must be 20, 21 or 20, 22, right guys? 20, 22. So or next I have 6. I have 6 must be what here? Must be male. Must be male. Wherever this condition is true, for that row, I want to display which one? I have 1. I want to display means the name, and I want to display which one? I want to display. I have 2 also, right? I have 2 also. You can take like this also, guys. Like this. Let me try this one now. Sorry. So should make the comparison double equal to this. Right. So Nani XYZ Rajesh. Okay. Yes. All of the output of both Nani XYZ Rajesh ABC and Rohan CD, right? CD college.